Hi, Johnny. I share my point about how I think about Mars and humans. Uh, the problem currently on Earth are very advanced to be solved. The best thing to do is to try solve them as much as possible and focus in the colonization of Mars. And being a new planet will have more space and solve the overpopulation of the planet. uh, Contamination today is too much to try to solve all the problems and can be more expensive than the idea of colonizing Mars. All the rivers, lake, sea are so contaminated, and are completely lost and with high levels of contamination. Other example is some ecosystems are completely destroyed for the same reason, the contamination or other other ideas. And I think recovering are very expensive. In my strong opinion, colonize Mars is the best option. Can humans do? Mars offers favorable situation for us, and the hair has no time, and I think that's a fact. The other day, I'm read about Robert Zubrin. He's an aerospace engineering. Says going to Mars should be the objective of the space program. I searched, and I think the reason Mars. In early years, it's warm and contain liquid water on its surface for a long time, 1,000 years, I remember. And other thing, I found a group of Italian scientists found a large lake of water on an ice cap on the south pole of the red planet. And actually exists a program called ALGE by Laboratory of European Design Institute, and together with NASA has a project to create an artificial atmosphere with microwave, and the structure of the base will be generated with plastic, and the plastic in the sea, and thus solve two problems with the same purpose: clean the sea, healing the earth, and colonize Mars for save the humans. One of the members of the program, if I remember, is Eduardo Fernandez. He's a member of ALGE, the program, and out that fundamental thing for life in Mars are microwave, water, and honey. Well, bees actually. So bees have very important role here in the Earth actually, and in the future for the colonized Mars, because their honeycombs have nutrients to humans need to survive on the red planet. As well, bees are one of the animals can survive the trip to Mars. And the idea of bees on Mars will be to create a special area for bees and can subsist with us and complete a functional ecosystem in Mars. And so, for that reason, I'm affirm colonize Mars are a great idea to save the planet, the humans, and discover new things.
Thanks, Nora, for your opinion. I agree with that option. Yes, humans you should focus and colonize Mars as soon possible. The planet will not be able to support all humans in some years. We have all the tools to colonize Mars as soon possible. In the year 120, in the year 1920, the world's population was 2 billion people. Now, 100 years after, the population in the world is 8 billion. According to the ONU, in the year 250, we could be 10 billion in the world. In my opinion, this could generate problems such as pollution and destruction of the planet. Living on Mars is more possible than we believe. NASA will make a trip to Mars in the year 2030. This is the beginning of a mission of life. NASA has planned mission in the future. These missions consist to research the planet. In the image, we can see a vehicle. This vehicle is adaptable. These vehicles are special. They can resist radiation and roll on the surface of Mars. We can see a type of house. These houses are designed to support the storms and the weather on the planet. Another problem in the world generated by overpopulation are social problems in the biggest cities. This causes violence and discrimination. If these problems continues to increase, it could generate problems of migrations and war. According to the ONU, in the year 2015, Stockholm and Zurich, they were the safest cities in the world. These cities have the less 1 million persons of population. In my opinion, we should focus to go to Mars and resolve these problems in the world.
Well, pues, this is your opinion and mine. It's a little similar. I think it's with the same opinion. I think the colonize Mars, it's a good option for humans, for my opinion and your opinion. It's a good opinion.
Thanks, Mora.